putang ina ninyong lahat. Martin Romualdez, Lisa Marcos, Bongbong Marcos. Huwag kang mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta, at si Martin Romualdez. No joke. No joke. Nagbilin na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil hanggang hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
Honorable Sendanya.
Maraming salamat, Madam Chair. I'd like now to ask some questions to the NBI. Gusto ko po magtanong sa inyo tungkol po doon sa inyong affidavit of investigation. Particularly, I'm referring to page 28, ng inyong pong affidavit of investigation. Nabanggit po dyan kasi yung inciting to sedition. Baka pwede pong very quickly lang, in layman's terms, ano po ba ang elements ng crime na inciting to sedition?
NBI may answer.
Our legal officer during that time is Attorney Intel. She will address the question.
What is the name of the legal officer, Director Matibag?
Attorney Intel Malikad.
Attorney Intel. Attorney Intel, you are
Yentel,
recognized. What is that, Director?
Yentel.
Attorney Yentel is recognized.
Attorney Yentel, Madam Chair, the question for the NBI which will be answered by Attorney Yentel is, mention po dun sa page 28 na ating affidavit, yung inciting to sedition. Para lang po matulungan din yung ating po mga kababayan na nanonood sa atin ngayon, ano po ba ang elements ng inciting to sedition?
Good afternoon, Madam Chair, to the members of the committee. As is stated in the affidavit of investigation prepared by the National Bureau of Investigation, the following are the elements of inciting to sedition. The offender does not take direct part in the crime of sedition. The offender uttered seditious words. And number 3, the utterance of seditious words is done by means of speeches which lead or tend to stir up the people against the lawful authorities or to disturb the peace of the community, the safety and order of the government.
So dun po sa napanood nating video,
If I may interrupt, Honorable Sendanya, I observe that Attorney Yentel is reading from a certain document. May we know what document is that?
Yes, it's page 26, number 74 of the affidavit of investigation, Your
Is
Honor.
this part of the documents that were submitted last April 14 to this
Yes, Your
committee?
Honor, it was among the documents submitted by the NBI.
For the guidance of the members, Honorable Sendanya, would you like to request Attorney Yentel to flash that portion of the document in the big screen so
Yes,
that
Madam
everybody
Chair.
can see?
Yes, Madam Chair, kindly flash that portion of the document on the big screen. Can we enlarge it a bit? Ito pong number 74 sinasabi na ito daw po yung elements na inciting to sedition. So, batay po dyan sa sinasabi ninyo at sa napanood po nating video earlier, yung po bang ginawa ni VP Sara ay inciting to sedition?
Based on the investigation conducted by the NBI and on the certification issued by the Department of Justice in relation to the Department Circular 20, the NBI submitted, or the complaint referred by the NBI, which includes inciting to sedition, contains all the necessary evidence to prove the essential elements of the crime and should be docketed for preliminary investigation.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Nabanggit din po ninyo sa inyong affidavit yung grave threats. Para po sa ating mga kababayan nakikinig, in layman's terms po, ano po ang ibig sabihin, no? Ano ang mga elemento ng grave threats? Again, if you can cite the page number so that we can flash it on screen, Madam Chair.
Based on Article 282 of the revised
Madam
Penal
Chair, what page is this again?
Page 15 and 16 of the affidavit of investigation, Your Honor.
Please flash the concerned portion of page 15 and page 16. Secretariat? If I may interrupt, because we are dealing with documents already, and the same has not yet been formally identified by the NBI. Would you like to raise questions first that will lead towards the identification
Yes,
of the document?
Madam Chair, may we request the NBI to please identify the documents that they were referring to so that it could be entered into our records today.
Madam Chair, the identification of the affidavit, may I direct that to Attorney Jeremy Lotok, he's the chief of CCD and the one who executed the affidavit.
Madam Chair, may I be recognized?
With the indulgence of the Honorable Sendanya, the questions of Honorable Zamora is with respect likewise to the identification of the document. So is it okay?
Yes, Madam Chair, I will yield the time to Representative
And
Zamora.
then we will be calling you again.
Thank you very much.
The Honorable Bel Zamora is recognized.
May I ask the committee secretary to flash the affidavit signed by the NBI officials? Okay, we have on the screen an affidavit of investigation consisting of, if I'm not mistaken, 29 pages. Agent John Mark Calilong, ito ba po yung affidavit na in-issue po ninyo at ng mga kasama po ninyo para po sa kalinawan ng lahat?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ito po ay isang affidavit of investigation. Comsec, can we go to the last page? Page 28 and 29. I would just like the NBI officials to identify this document. Page 28, Comsec.
Madam Chair, may I request that the video which forms part of the affidavit be included as part of the records of this committee as well?
There is a motion to include the video just presented about the threat to form part of the official records of this proceeding. Do I hear a second?
Second.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is granted.
Okay. Going forward, sa inyo pong affidavit of investigation, page 28 po nito, meron pong sa bandang taas po, sa bandang gitna, meron pong 4 na signatures. S.A. Jeremy C. Lotok, SRA Ria Vanessa Diaz Asuncion, SRA Van Homer M. Angluben, Agent John Mark Calilong. Kayo ba po ang mga nakapirma dito?
Yes, Your Honor. 4 po kami nakapirma dito.
4 po kayo
May we
nakapirma
request the
dyan.
those who signed to please answer the question of the Honorable Zamora?
Yes, Your Honor. Nakapirma
State
ho
your
ako dito.
name.
Jeremy C. Lotok, ma'am. Ako po yung nakapirma rito,
Next.
Madam Chair.
Senior Agent Van Homer Angluben, Your Honor. I'm one of the signatories of the
You
complaint.
confirm your signature.
Yes,
Next.
Madam Chair.
Senior Agent Ria Vanessa Asuncion, I confirm my signature, Your Honor.
Okay, maraming salamat po. So itong 4 na po na pumirma dito ay kayo. Meron pong isang pirma dito, Glenn A. Ricarte, Assistant Director for Investigation Service, National Bureau of Investigation. Sino po ito at bakit po siya nakapirma sa ilalim?
He was the then Assistant Director for Investigation Service, ma'am, and he was the one who sworn to before sa amin lahat.
He administered the oath po nung kayo ay gumawa ng inyong recommendation dito po sa affidavit of investigation.
Yes, ma'am. Siya po yung nag-administer sa amin.
Okay, maraming salamat po. If I may proceed, Madam Chair, with a few questions.
Honorable Sendanya, this is with regards to the documents that they submitted. So the intention of Kong Bell is to have all the documents identified first before we raise questions on these documents. With your indulgence,
I concur, Madam Chair.
the Honorable Zamora may proceed.
Thank you, Honorable Sendanya. Agent Kalilong, base po sa inyong affidavit of authentication of digital evidence na Annex A naman din po nitong affidavit of investigation, na-authenticate po ninyo yung video ng press conference ni VP Duterte noong November 23, 2024. Tama ba po?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ito pong video ng press conference, yung kanina pong pinlay po natin, di ba po yun? Tama ba po yun?
Yes po, part po yun. Meron pong inauthenticate ako na whole video, Your Honor.
Whole video po ang authenticate, ang inyong inauthenticate. Okay po. Ano po ang ibig sabihin ninyo ng pag-authenticate o ang authentication ng video?
Authenticate po is pag-ensure na ang yung video na yon is the same and actual nung nag-transpire. I-ensure po namin na hindi po siya edited or spliced or AI generated, Your Honor.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Maaari mo bang ipaliwanag sa amin ang proseso ng pag-authenticate in layman's terms kung pwede po, as much as you can?
Yes, Your Honor. Una po, kami, communicate with Facebook Meta para po ma-preserve po yung URL na nagko-contain po nung video nung press conference nung November 23, 2024. Then, nagkaroon po kami ng confirmation email from Meta na ginawa nila yung necessary step para po ma-preserve. Next, we conducted screen recording of the video to ensure that what transpired is also being recorded.
Spin recording po.
Yes po, including the URL po, tsaka kung sino po yung nag-stream ng video.
Okay po.
Then, after po makakapag-generate
Sorry
kami...
po, binanggit niyo po kung sino po yung nag-stream ng video. Sino po yung nag-stream ng video na ito?
For the authenticated video, ang nag-stream po is si Harry Roque po, Your Honor,
Okay po.
na account po.
Go ahead po. Sige po, tuloy po.
Then after pong ma-record, nag-conduct po kami ng hash value calculation. Ang hash value calculation po, yung tinatawag na in layman's term, pag-fingerprint nung digital data, digital file, para po ma-ensure na yung video na yon, if magkaroon ng editing, magbabago po yung hash value.
So meaning nyo po, kung makita po natin na altered or edited po ang video, it will have a different hash value.
Yes, Your Honor. Mag-generate po ng different hash value if na-edit po yung video.
Okay, go ahead po.
Then after po nun, isinave po namin siya sa storage device and submitted as evidence, Your Honor.
So you confirm po that you submitted a copy of the video that you authenticated to the Committee on Justice, and what we played earlier is the authenticated video.
Yes, Your Honor. It's part of the authenticated video.
Okay, tapos dahil dito po sa inyong proseso ng pag-authenticate, sigurado po tayo na hindi edited, altered, or AI yung video po na hawak po ninyo at pinasa niyo po sa amin.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, maraming salamat po, Madam Chair. Thank you very much.